Welcome children, welcome to your EVS class. The name of the chapter is Hu Tu Tu. Class 4 EVS chapter 10. Hu Tu Tu, out, out, out. Hold her leg. What are these girls doing? They are shouting out, out, out. It is clear that they are playing a game. What do you call this game? आप लोग इस गेम को क्या बोलते हो? चड़गुडू, हु तू तू, चू कित कित, Hatutu or Kabaddi or something else. Look at this picture. When 6 girls surrounded Shamla and caught her, everyone thought that she was out. Somebody caught her legs and somebody her arms, while one girl caught her by the waist. But Shamla was not the one to give up. She dragged herself and managed to touch the line in the center. 6 लोग ये गर्ल को श्यामला को पकड़ लिया था. एक लड़की ने उनका लेग को पकड़ा, एक ने उनका वेस्ट को, एक ने उनका आर्म को पकड़ा, लेकिन श्यामला हारने वाली नहीं थी. पूरा कोशिश करके सेंट्रल लाइन को टच कर लिया, पूरे लोग को आउट कर लिया था. When you play kabaddi, how many players do you have in a team? When we play kabaddi, there are 12 players in a team where 7 players play on the ground and 5 others are substitutes. How many players got out when Shamla touched the line? 6 players got out when Shamla touched the line. Do you have ways to resolve disputes in games? To resolve disputes in games, we stay calm and listen to referee or umpire. The game referee should listen to both sides and give a fair judgment. The game of Kabaddi Kabaddi. So, this is what a game of Kabaddi is like. Pushing, pulling, screaming, shouting, dragging and falling on the ground. It is a rough game, yet it has many rules. All games have rules which have to be followed by the players for fair play. It is lots of fun and lots of exercise. We need to use both our body and mind in this game. हम लोग body and mind दोनों को use करना पड़ेगा. Try to hold your breath and keep saying Kabaddi Kabaddi. How many times could you say it? Kabaddi, 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 Kabaddi. Now you are out. When does one gets out in Kabaddi? If a player is stopped by the opposite team during his move, एक player ने opposite team वाला से पकड़ा गया तो out है. If the player loses breath or stops saying Kabaddi Kabaddi, player ने ब्रेथ को होल्ड नहीं कर पाया और कबड्डी कबड्डी बोलना भी बंद कर लिया तो आउट है. इफ द प्लेयर टचेस अपोजिशन प्लेयर एंड द अपोजिशन टीम कुड नॉट स्टॉप हिम, एक प्लेयर ने दूसरे टीम प्लेयर को टच कर लिया और दूसरे टीम प्लेयर ने उनको पकड़ नहीं पाया तो आउट है. गेम्स. 2 types of games are there. We have already learned in class 3. First, indoor game. Games like chess, Ludo are played in a room. They are called indoor games. Example, boxing, carom, chess, gymnastics, squash, table tennis, weightlifting and wrestling. Outdoor games. Some games like Kho-Kho, Kabaddi are played in the open place. They are called outdoor games. Example, hockey, baseball, volleyball, skiing, golf, polo, horse racing, surfing, archery, shooting, cycling and cricket. Name some games in which it is very important to touch the players. कौन सा गेम में प्लेयर को टच करना पड़ेगा? कबड्डी, खो-खो, छुपा छुपी, etc. In Kabaddi, the entire team was out because Shamla had touched the line. What are some other games in which the central line is very important? Hockey, football and tug of war. Look at this picture. Do you know who is she? She is Karnam Malleshwari. Have you seen or read about her in the newspapers? Karnam Malleshwari is a weightlifter. She lives in Andhra Pradesh. Her father is a police constable. Malleshwari started lifting weights when she was 12 years old. Now she can lift a weight of 130 kilograms. Karnam has won 29 medals in international events. Her 4 sisters also practice weightlifting. A story of three sisters. Three sisters का एक कहानी है. Look at this photograph. The picture is of the three sisters Jwala, Leela and Hira. They live in Mumbai. All three of them played kabaddi and taught the game to others. Jwala tells, when we were young girls, we were not allowed to play this game. People thought that if girls played such rough games, nobody would marry them. They also said that the girls had to wear boys' clothes to play kabaddi. This is why they stopped girls from playing. तीन सिस्टर का नाम है ज्वाला, लीला, हीरा. ये लोग मुंबई में रहने वाले हैं. ये तीनों कबड्डी खेलते थे, लेकिन ये लोग बहुत छोटे थे. उस समय सभी लोग बोलते थे ये गेम बहुत रफ गेम है और ये गेम गर्ल्स खेलने से उनको कोई भी शादी नहीं करेंगे और इस गेम में बॉयज के कपड़े भी पहना पड़ेगा, इसलिए कोई भी गर्ल्स को कबड्डी खेलना नहीं देते थे. ज्वाला, लीला and Hira. The sisters were young when their father died. Their mother and mamas brought them up. Both uncles used to play kabaddi and kho-kho. They encouraged the three girls to play kabaddi. लेकिन ये तीनों सिस्टर बहुत छोटे थे. उनके पापा डेथ हो गए थे. उनके मामा इन लोग को बड़ा किया था. उनके मामा कबड्डी भी खेलते थे, खो-खो भी खेलते थे और ये तीनों सिस्टर को बहुत एनकरेज भी करते थे. The sisters had to face many difficulties because of kabaddi, but that did not reduce their fun. Hira, the youngest sister, became a kabaddi coach. देखो इतना डिफिकल्ट के बाद भी ये लोग कबड्डी खेलना बहुत फन के साथ खेलते थे. हीरा सबसे छोटी थी, वो कबड्डी कोच बन गई थी. कोच, who is coach? A coach is a person who trains boys or girls in some game. How does a coach teach? How does a coach make a player practice? A coach is a person who teaches the players about the tricks of the game. He encourages the player and trains them to learn the game methodically. Hira wishes that children like you should enjoy and play many games, especially kabaddi. हीरा का एक विश थी, चिल्ड्रन आप लोग जैसे लोग जरूर गेम खेलना है और स्पेशली कबड्डी जरूर खेलना है. उनके विश जरूर पूरा करना है. इंडियन विमेन्स कबड्डी टीम कैप्टन प्रियंका. Now we are going to see some famous Indian sports women. Who is she? Sania Mirza. Which game she is related to? Tennis. Saina Nehwal, badminton. Mithali Raj, cricket. She is the captain of Indian women team. Mary Kom, boxing. Who is she? Shakshi Malik. Which game she is related for? Wrestling. PV Sindhu, badminton. Next, do you know who is she? She is Deepa Karmakar. Gymnastic. She is from Tripura. Do you know about this golden girl Hima Das? Hima Das is an Indian sprint runner from the state of Assam. She was born on 9 January 2000. Her parents are Ranjit Das and Jonali Das. Her nickname is Ding Express. She received Arjuna Award for athletics. Benefits of games and sports. Good air supply to brain. Body and mind development. Tension reliever. Have fun and enjoyment. Enhances confidence level. Children, play is powerful. So just play, have fun, enjoy the game. Stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you.